Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a rich fog like this in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition, I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid and I'll name it fog. Okay, hit OK. Go to effects and presets and type fractal noise. Double click or drag and drop. Then set basic to dynamic. Contrast, I'll increase it to 130. Okay. And also I'll go to transform and scale. I'll scale it to 190. Okay. Okay. Now I'll go to evolution because I want to add animation here. So I'll go to evolution, I'll click and I'll type here times shift 8 70. Okay, and see. Also I'll go to complexity here and I'll change it to 4. And that's all. Okay, again I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type turbulent displace. Double click or drag and drop. Then I'll go to turbulent. First I'll go to turbulent here and I'll change it to turbulent smoother like this. Also I'll go to amount and I'll change amount to 90 and size I'll increase it to 140. Okay, and also I want to add animation here, so I'll go to evolution, I'll click and I'll type times shift 8 30. Okay, let me see. Yeah, very good, very good. Okay, now I'll go to effects and presets again and I'll add CC vector blur. Double click or drag and drop. Okay, yeah. So let me change natural here to duration fading. Okay, also amount I'll increase it to 65 and I'll go to angle offset and I'll increase it to 120 like this. Okay, and see. Okay, now I don't need this spaces here and here, so let me go to fog layer and press S and I'll increase it a little bit like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new adjustment layer, go to effects and presets and I'll type globalize. Okay, CC globalize, double click or drag and drop. Okay, okay, now I'll go here, adjustment layer and I'll choose fog, also source, effects and masks. Okay, softness, I'll increase softness to maybe 60, it will be good, or 70, and cutaway I'll change it to 0. Okay, 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 let me 65, it will be good. And now I'll open light, effect light, change it to AE lights. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to layer, new light, point, and intensity 100, and hit OK and see. Okay, okay. I'll go here. Now I want two views, horizontal like this. Okay, and let me increase X position like this, and also Z position. Yeah, this is good. Okay, and Control D to copy, and I'll go here, X position, the other side. Okay, now one view. Yeah, that's it. Okay, yeah. So let me add a new null object. I'll make it 3D, and I'll parent point 1 and 2 with null object. Okay, then I'll go to null object, go to first frame, press R, go to Z rotation and last frame, and let me change here to 1 and see. Okay, now let me change the color light. Choose your colors. I'll choose this color. Then I'll go here and something like this. Okay, okay, and let me see now. Okay, yeah. Now I'll add a text, maybe motion graphic or graphics. Okay, and let me go to anchor point, control. I want to put this point into the middle, so I'll go to anchor point and control, press control and double click and see. Okay, then I'll go to align here. Okay, and if you don't see align, you can go to window and check align here. Okay, and I'll put it into the middle, press S to, I want to increase it a little bit like this. Go to first frame and keyframe, last frame, and I'll increase this text like this. Okay, okay. Now I'll go to effect, generate, to add the colors, generate, for color, generate, and let me change this color here. Okay, also yeah, it's good. Okay, and also I'll go to effect, stylize and glow. Okay, let me increase threshold to 80 and also radius to 20, it will be good. And that's all. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.